We're here in Shaker Heights, Ohio with Howard, one of our favorite customers. It's been a year since you planted your My Home Park garden. What's your experience been?
Well, as you can see, the garden has exploded. And we planted last year in June, and in August things had started to come up, and we had some things that were, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 feet, and some things started to bud, some things didn't. And then after the winter, I would say probably in April, we started to see some activity. It's actually sort of exploded in color. My wife, who originally looked at it last year and said, "Oh yeah, that's nice," every day now she comes out and sort of can't believe that we're the one who has this garden. I think the most exciting thing for me is to see how the wildlife comes to your garden. Well, actually it's really nice because native plants are pretty easy to maintain, and you can either spend a lot of time with them if you want, and that will help them, or you don't have to spend that much time with them and they'll still look pretty good. I've actually had people stop their car and get out and talk to me about the garden. And either some people have asked me what I'm doing, and other people who are native gardeners in Shaker have come by to thank me, to say how great it is that I'm doing what I'm doing. So it's actually broadened my social life too, to be honest with you.